Hi, my name is Nivesh and I'm a developer on Google Web Designer. In this video, I will show you how to create fluid layouts by using percent-based units for position and size. First, let's take a look at a sample document where all the elements currently use pixels for their position and size. Now, if I preview this file in the browser and I resize the browser window, you'll notice the layout does not update. The elements' position and size stay fixed. Let's change that by using percent-based layout. If you want the main page container to grow and shrink to match the screen size, you can do so by clicking on the Match Viewport button in the Properties panel. This will set the page's width and height to 100%. And now the page will grow and shrink to match the screen size. You can also change the left top width and height of individual elements. I'm going to click the yellow div here and I'm going to change its left top width and height by clicking on the units section of the controls and switching to use percent. You can also select multiple elements and change all their position and sizes to use percent. I'm going to select these three elements down below and switch their left top width and height to use percent. And now you can see their individual left top width and heights are also using percent. Sometimes you may want an element's width and height to remain fixed, but have its position update as the screen size changes. So I'm going to change this logo element's left and top to use percent, but I'm going to leave its width and height to use pixels. Now let's preview this in the browser. You'll notice as I resize the browser, the elements were flowing with the viewport. An easy way to create such fluid layouts is to use the Fluid Layout option in the Selection Tools Options bar. I'm going to switch to another file that does not have percent-based layout set for these bottom three elements. So when I go here, these are still using pixels. Now I'll show you the difference on when the Fluid Layout option is checked and unchecked. In this case, I will uncheck it. I'm going to select the three elements and align them vertically center with their parent container and spaced evenly apart horizontally with their parent container. Now I'm going to preview. As you'll notice, the elements don't adjust as I resize the browser window. They remain where I last aligned them. And that's because without the Fluid Layout option checked, the alignment is done as a one-time position and size adjustment. But if I click the Fluid Layout option and I reapply the align settings again, align vertical center and space horizontally, and now I preview in browser, by checking the Fluid Layout option, we created a percent-based alignment that keeps the elements relatively aligned to each other and to the enclosing container as the container changes size. That's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching.